the next 100X altcoin. It's out there. It's just waiting to be found. Where is it? Where is it? Today, I want to share some coins with you that I am watching right now that could bring some seriously big gains for investors. These are all hot, new trending coins, as well as a couple of upcoming token sales that you should be having your eyes on. The returns that have been happening in the market right now are just absolutely off the charts, especially for token sales. The returns have been totally crazy. So the savvy investor would do well to pay attention to these hot new trending coins, since the coins that I'm covering today could very well be the next big thing of tomorrow. My name's Lark, and every day I make videos to help you make money investing. So if that is what you want to do, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, that you hit the bell, and make sure you catch all of my videos. And of course, hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm, guys. By the way, every week my team and I send out the Wealth Mastery Investor Report. So every single issue is going to come to you Wednesday night, 8 p.m. Eastern Time, and you're going to get a deep dive altcoin report, a trending coin analysis, an interview with an industry leader, a step-by-step DeFi tutorial covering some of the hottest yield farms out there in the market right now, top-tier technical analysis, the latest token sales, airdrops, all that stuff, and much, much more for less than $10 a week, making this the most value-packed and at the same time affordable investor report on the market. So click on the link down below to become a member today. Okay, so in today's video, I'm just going to be covering off some of the newest, hottest coins that we see coming into the market, the coins that are kind of, catching my attention, catching my dollars, the ones that I'm watching right now, because I know you guys are always out there hunting for those new money-making opportunities. And rightly so, because there has been just crazy gains happening across the crypto market over the last few weeks, with new coins and new token sales giving like life-changing returns to investors in a very short amount of time. This stuff's happening every single freaking day, but you have got to hustle in order to take advantage of these opportunities when they arise, because the public sales are often very short-lived. They sell out in minutes. The private sales can be hard to get into, so you have to hustle to get these. Also, remember to properly manage your risk when investing in any of these coins. Lower cap altcoins, like I'm going to be talking about in this video, can be very, very volatile, so please understand those risks. With all that being said, here are a few coins that you should have on your radar right now. The first one is called SeaScape. Now, this is a gaming ecosystem platform for DeFi and NFTs. So basically what we're seeing here, they're tapping into the hottest trends in cryptocurrency right now. So by leveraging blockchain technology, they want to create an ecosystem for gamers and developers to be able to launch and play awesome blockchain-based games. Now, the gaming industry, incredibly big, and the gaming community is a natural fit for the blockchain world, because these guys all play with games and tech stuff all of the time. So it makes offerings like SeaScape very, very compelling, because they're already talking to a crypto native audience or a crypto friendly audience because of their tech savviness. Now, this was all built out by the team that made the Block Lords game, so they're very familiar with the ins and outs of gaming and blockchain and all this stuff. It's also backed up by DAOmaker. Now, DAOmaker has incubated some of the most successful token launches in the industry, so pretty cool to see them getting behind this one as well. SeaScape also has a very busy roadmap for Q1, so I expect the hype around this coin to continue to build as it moves forward. The team is also working on a bunch of really groundbreaking technology, like an NFT Dex and a new token standard for NFTs. So it's all very, very exciting stuff. Now, you can buy this coin on Uniswap right now. It has just listed. It is up super big right now, so please take that into consideration before just aping into the coin. Make sure to time your entry appropriately, so resist the urge to just go and hardcore FOMO into it. But it's definitely a very interesting one to be watching out for. The second coin to be watching right now is Bridge Mutual. Now, this is one that we mentioned in the newsletter, obviously a while ago, also on the channel. So I hope that some of you were paying attention, that you got the chance to either get into the public token sale or into the private sale. There are opportunities for both of those things. Again, you have to get out there and be taking advantage of the opportunities. The returns on Bridge, massive, absolutely massive. I'm super bullish on Bridge Mutual moving forward as well. This is a DeFi insurance coin, which is based on Polkadot. It's going to be providing coverage for a wide range of use cases, including smart contracts, stablecoin risks, exchange risks, all of that stuff, right? Right now, there are very few players in the DeFi arena. Nexus Mutual is by far the biggest right now. At the time of recording this video, Bridge Mutual is like 1/20th of the market cap of Nexus Mutual. And of course, if we take the all-time high of Nexus Mutual, much farther to go even then. So there's a lot of room here for it to grow. Now, this is probably one of the most important upcoming and underrepresented niches in crypto right now. Insurance is such a big deal and such a necessary service. It's going to basically be completely essential for building trust in DeFi, since the risk of hacks and the risk of exploits are one of the biggest fears that are kind of keeping participation in DeFi rather low at the moment. So now this coin has just listed. It's currently well above the public sale price, which was around like 12 cents. So again, if you hustled and you got in that sale, you did really well. It's now trading for around $2.50. And in my opinion, it's just getting started. I think we'll see this going much higher. It's only trading on Uniswap at the moment. So once we start seeing centralized exchanges listing it, we'll see a lot more volume coming in. Now, the third coin to have on your radar is called SifChain. Now, this is an omni-chain decentralized exchange. It will support cross-chain transactions for 20 to 25 of the top blockchains, which is totally insane. It's built using Cosmos, so it's 100x more efficient than Ethereum and other industry-leading decentralized exchanges, where the fees, the on-chain fees you have to pay, have become totally insane, right? Uniswap, it's averaging between $20 and $40 right now for an on-chain transaction, which just sucks for most people. It's pricing a lot of people out of the market. So we definitely need new solutions. Now, the SifChain token will be required for executing all trades on the platform, so it should have a lot of token velocity. I'm super bullish on this one. They're also, leveraging some stuff from ThorChain here. So again, the whole Cosmos ecosystem, very interesting. The token sale registration has at this time closed. The tokens will be sold to registered participants on the 3rd, which means that this is one that should be coming to the market soon. So again, keep it on your radar, since the tokens will be coming to the market in the not so distant future. So we'll actually give you a chance to buy these tokens on secondary markets when they start listing. I fully expect this to be a very high hype coin when it comes out. I'm definitely looking to add this one as a long-term DeFi hold when it hits exchanges. I'm probably going to double my position, potentially more. We'll see what the price action is like when it actually comes out. But I'm kind of expecting SifChain to have a ThorChain-like run. This is, very excited about this one. This is definitely one of those 100x potential coins. Do follow them over on Twitter to find out when the tokens do go live, so you can get in there and get them early. Now, the fourth one is called Paralink. This is a multi-chain Oracle platform. We all really know why oracles are so damn important. Chainlink has proven the need and the demand for trusted data. Such an important thing for DeFi. DeFi really can't function without oracles. But what makes Paralink stand out from the crowd? Well, one thing is their Paralink query language. Now, this allows for those people seeking verifiable data to do so via databases, APIs, and websites. It's also going to allow for really big transaction speeds. It's also going to be providing cross-chain validation and on-chain validation of data. Now, the use cases here: money markets, insurance, derivatives, prediction markets, gaming, governance. The tokens themselves can actually be staked to earn rewards, so that should provide a lot of incentive for people to go out and grab these tokens, stake them, be getting those rewards back. Oh, and of course, it's built on Polkadot, so everything Polkadot right now has been going crazy, high hype indeed. In fact, they've been inking some deals with some major Polkadot players like Darwinian Network and Plasm Network. They also just finished a big fundraising round backed by some of the most prominent VCs in the crypto industry. So if you do want to keep up to date with them, again, go and follow them on Twitter for more information about when their public token sale is going to happen. It could be a great chance to get involved early in the project. And finally, today I want to talk about DaoVentures. Now this is a crypto robo-advisor and automated money manager. So basically looking to make DeFi super easy for the average person to use. So they're kind of addressing the same market as something like YFI's, Wire and Finance. But it's going to offer just a really simple way to do it. So a nice user-friendly dashboard for accessing DeFi where you can do yield farming, use a DeFi manager, you can lend and borrow, market make, all that kind of stuff, all while assigning your risk preferences. So if you want to look for low risk or medium risk or high risk opportunities. And of course, it's all non-custodial, meaning that you're in control of your funds at all times. You can actually test out the beta version of the app today. And generally, I'm actually really bullish on any of these new platforms that we see coming out that are looking to make DeFi easier for the regular user. There's a few of them coming out at the moment, but this one, I think it's got a lot of potential. There's obviously a lot of hype around it. Their private round was like 20x oversubscribed, which is a pretty big deal in terms of showing a lot of interest. There's no dates right now for the public sales, so again, follow them on Twitter to keep up to date when that comes out. Anyway, those are just the coins that are on my radar right now. What about you? What coins are you watching right now that you think are going to make some really big returns for investors? Let us all know down below in the comments section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.